So you've had that pesky pimple, it finally disappears, and then boom. Hello, scar. Like seriously, why do they have to stick around as a reminder? I know, it's frustrating, but don't stress. Today I'm breaking down the real way to fade acne scars for good. No overnight miracle creams, no hype, just science-backed products, easy tips, and what actually works. If you're tired of seeing those marks in the mirror and just want clear, healthy skin, then stay with me. This one's for you. Let's understand the scars. Not all acne scars are created equal, and this is super important to understand before you start treating them. There are mainly two categories. 1. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, PIH. These are flat, brown, red, or purple marks that stay after the pimple is gone. They are not true scars. They're a result of inflammation and melanin overproduction. The good news? They fade with time and skincare. 2. Atrophic scars. These are actual textural scars caused by tissue loss. They include ice pick scars, deep and narrow holes, boxcar scars, wider, shallow depressions, rolling scars, wave-like, uneven skin texture. These take more time to treat and sometimes need professional help. There's also 3. Post-inflammatory erythema, PIE. This appears as red or pink marks and is common in lighter skin tones. Top ingredients for fading acne scars. Let's talk about the real heroes. These ingredients are backed by science and dermatologists. The key? Consistency and patience. 1. Niacinamide, 5 to 10%. Reduces inflammation, regulates oil, and brightens hyperpigmentation. Also supports skin barrier health. Recommended products: Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum, Annua, Niacinamide 10% plus tranexamic acid serum, Numbazin No. 5, Vitamin Niacinamide Concentrated Serum. 2. Vitamin C, Start Gentle, max 10 to 15%. Powerful antioxidant, brightens and evens skin tone, helps fade dark spots over time. Recommended products: Goodall Green Tangerine Vitamin C Serum, Jumiso, All-Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Serum, Claire's Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop, gentle and beginner-friendly. 3. Alpha-arbutin, 2%. Targets pigmentation without irritating skin, works great for stubborn dark marks. 4. Azelaic Acid, 10 to 20%. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and great for sensitive acne-prone skin. Fades marks while calming redness. 5. AHA/BHA exfoliants. AHA, like glycolic or lactic acid, helps with pigmentation and texture. BHA, like salicylic acid, clears clogged pores. Use 2 to 3 times a week. 6. Retinoids. Retinol speeds up cell turnover, treats pigmentation, texture, and acne. 7. Sunscreen, non-negotiable. No matter what you apply, it won't work if you skip SPF. UV rays darken scars, worsen pigmentation, and age your skin. Daily skincare routine to target scars. Let me give you a simple routine you can actually stick to. Morning: 1. Gentle cleanser. 2. Niacinamide or vitamin C serum. 3. Moisturizer. 4. Sunscreen, always. Night: 1. Cleanser. 2. Chemical exfoliant, 2 to 3 times a week. Or azelaic acid, retinol. 3. Hydrating serum, like hyaluronic acid. 4. Barrier repair moisturizer. Tips: introduce one product at a time. Patch test before using anything new. Use minimal active ingredients together to avoid irritation. Things you should stop doing. Now here's what not to do if you want to fade acne scars faster. Don't pop pimples. It leads to more scarring. Don't over-exfoliate. More is not better. It causes damage. Don't skip sunscreen. Ever. Don't expect overnight results. Healing takes time. Okay, Glow Baby. That's it for today. Scars may stay for a while, but your glow up? Unstoppable. Drink your water, wear your SPF like a crown, and treat your skin like the soft main character it is. Until next time, shine gently, love loudly, and never forget you're the glow. With all my heart, Momwear.